DevNexus. Today I'm going to talk on the problem remove duplicates from the sorted array part 2. So here we are given an array and that array is in the ascending order and we need to remove the duplicates, and there is a condition that at most we can have only 2 duplicates. So if there are 3 ones, then we can have at most 2 ones in our modified array. So here we can have 2 ones, and if there are 2 twos, then we can directly have 2 twos, and if there is only 1 3, then directly we can write 1 3. So I can explain you with one example what this problem is saying. So let me take different examples so that it will be much easier to understand. So here if we see, this is our new array, and in our modified array what we want is this modified array is we are updating this array only. It's not like we are taking new memory, so it's already written in the question that we are not going to use new array for storing the value. It should be have O1 extra memory, so for that we need to update this particular array only. So if there are 4 ones, we have to consider these ones out and write here 1 1, and 2 2. There are 3 twos, so we will be taking 2 twos and it should modify these 2 particular ones. So now these 2 will be coming here, and I'm not going to take this. These 2 will come here, and there is only 1 3, so this 3 will come here, and there are 2 4s, so these 2 4s will come here. So now this is our index 0 1 2 3 of our modified array. So now here this is our 6th value, and so we can directly say that there are 7 elements and we can return this 7. That's the answer we have to do in our question. So now I am going to explain how to approach this problem. Let me take new paint. So let's take the same example which is given in the question: 3 ones, 2 twos and 3. So to solve this problem I'm going to use 2 pointers. So where here we have one left pointer and one right pointer. I am using right pointer as a pointer which is going to traverse the whole array, and right and left pointer is something which I am going to use so that I would be using it to modify our array at the different intervals. So interval is basically the same. I mean, if there are 3 ones, then I'm going to act this as my one interval frame. 2 twos will act as my one interval. So I'm going to update at that point only, like when we have distinct values. Uh, at that point only I'm going to use left pointer so that I could modify my array. I will tell you what I'm saying with properly. So this is my left pointer and this is my right pointer. So left pointer I'm going to use to edit my array. So how I'm going to use it, let me explain you. So initially left and right is 0 0 0 only, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to traverse the array and check if my right pointer is greater than, right pointer is equal to my next value or not. If it is equal, then I'm going to uh, do one thing also. I'm going to use it in the loop and going to increment my count variable also, so that we could have a count of the ones which are same count of in this case it is 1. For in other cases, whatever the value is, we will be calculating the count of that particular value. So now I'm going to traverse the right pointer by checking my current value. Whenever current value is greater equal to the next value, I'm going to traverse my right pointer likewise. So here when my right pointer reaches here, my count value is 3 here, and right pointer reaches here. So at this position our next value 2 is not equal to 1. So this till now we can wait and check and update our left pointer. So how we are going to update our left pointer is that till now we have 3 ones and we're using 3 count. So now I am going to take the minimum of 3 comma 2, which is 2. Why I am going to take the minimum here? Because this 3 is the count of these 3 ones, and 2 is, we are given in the question that we need to have only 2 duplicates in our array. So here are there we have to find there are 3 duplicates, but we need to make only 2 duplicates in our new modified array. So this is our 2 value. So now I am going to traverse my left pointer 2 times in the next loop. So this in the next loop, so that, and try to write like this: al equal to ar, right value, and l plus equal to 1. So likewise my left pointer will be incremented like this way. Now I think here my 0 1, and my left pointer will reach here once this loop will get over, because we are going to run this loop 2 times. So next things I am going to write in the new paint so that it will be comfortable for you guys. Let me take again what are the values and write where we are: 2 2 and 3, and our right pointer was at this position, and our left pointer has reached this position only, and our new modified array is 1 1. Okay, and now in the next step again my right pointer will increment, and it will going to check if my current value is equal to next value, which is right. So again my right pointer will increment and it will reach to this position. At this position it will find that my next value is not equal to 2. So my next loop will start and my left pointer, or you can say my modified thing, will run. So when I was running this loop at that time, like previously, I'm going to count these values. So here count is 2. So I have told earlier that how we are going to start by taking the minimum. I mean left pointer we will start by taking the minimum 2 comma 2. So here there are 2 2's only, and we are going to have 2 duplicates only. So now we have 2 value, 2 as our answer, and now we are going to run our L pointer loop by 2 times. So now I'm going to write like this: 2 2 2, like AL is equal to AR, and L plus equal to 1. So sorry, so now after running this loop, our next situation will be our left pointer will reach to this position. I think yeah, our left pointer will reach to this position, and our right pointer is at this position. So I will explain you with new board now. Sorry, this 1 1 1 2 2 and 3. So let me take brushes. Here is our right pointer, and left pointer is also here only. So I think left pointer is at this position only. Yes, left pointer is also at this position. and our modified array was 1 1 2 2. Okay, why my left pointer is at this position? Because at the last I have added l plus equal to 1 when we have updated our right value. So at that time I have incremented l plus 1, so that's why my l is at this position. So now I'm going to, when I'm going to increment my now this is the time I'm going to increment my right pointer. So when I'm going to increment my right pointer, and then I'm going to, this r plus 1 equal to is happening in the outer loop. So now when I reach this position, now I am going to find that there is no next value. So when there is no next value, I will be taking one condition which will say that this loop will not run of having count value and all. So that will not run, but at least we have got the count index as 1 here. So here we have count as 1, and our right pointer is at this position, third value. So now we are going to take the minimum of 1 and 2, which is 1 only. So only one time our left pointer loop will run, and it will do al equal to ar. So now 3 will be placed here, and l plus 1 equal to 1. So after this loop gets over, when we go when we do r plus equal to 1, our loop gets like fulfilled, and now at last we can just return l, which will be our answer, because l plus, when we do last l plus 1 equal to 1, at that time it will be having 5, if we can see from the question. So 5 is the among all the length of the array which we have made in the new modified array. So I think till now you have understand the question. I have explained properly, and if any doubts you can move back and see properly the video. So now I'm going to write the code. So what is going to do, first of all, we are going to take left pointer and right pointer. So first of all we have to check if our right pointer is less than nums, and the question to check our this I'm writing so that it should be run till the, this particular loop will be run till the second last element, and we are going to check if our current value is equal to our next value. If that is the case, then we have to increment our count and also our r pointer, our right pointer. So once this thing is over, now the right pointer 2 is not equal to 3. So now at this point what I am going to do, I am going to take the minimum. Let me take the minimum will be 2 comma my count value. So now I'm going to run my l pointer, and this is l pointer is used for modifying my new array. So I will be writing 1 comma mini value here, and what I'm going to write here, nums l equal to nums r, and increment my l pointer times. So now my l pointer is incremented. Now I'm going to increment my right pointer so that it will go to the next part, and directly I can just return l here. So I think this is it. I think it will run fine. Yes, it is running. So basically we have to take the minimum here, and minimum times we were going to run our loop and in update our left pointer. So this is it. I think it was a great problem. We have learned a lot. So I think you guys can write down on comments if you have any doubts, or you like my way of teaching, or what the things you really want, how could I improve, or things you really want. I think for more updates you can subscribe this channel. Yeah, thank you.